Alright guys, so you guys are looking at this massive setup right here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit record real quick. Right there. And then I'm gonna turn on the lights. There you go. So I have the wireless mic hooked up to the phone. Right now you're hearing the audio from the lav mic itself going into the phone. That's what I'm doing right now. The little light is actually pretty cool. I kind of like this. Now outside here, you're not going to see much of a difference, but if you're inside, you're probably going to see some differences, I would say. So the audio, what do you guys think? I think it sounds pretty good, in my opinion. I was playing around with it for a little bit, and yeah, the audio sounds okay. The little mini tripod here, I really like. There's two mode on this tripod. If you twist this little ring right here, it will make it go lower, so it's more stable. I like these kind of mini tripods. And then you can just twist it again, and it'll go back up. The ball head. I really like mini tripod that comes with ball heads. You can actually remove these ball heads and use on other things, which is very useful. The cage itself, it's all right. I think. I mean, I have never really cared for cages, but it's a nice addition if you just have something stationary at home to record. Yeah, it's it's kind of nice if you have something stationary, because what that does is that it gives you a bunch of mounting points right here that you can just mount stuff with, which is nice. So yeah, definitely a good setup if you have like a tripod setup. On the go, probably not, you know. Guys, that's it for me. I hope you guys like it. If you do, hit the like button right now. If you don't like it, just hit it. Just hit this like twice. We're gonna be okay with that. And if you haven't subscribed to me yet, please do so. I'm gonna see you guys in the next episode. Alrighty? Bye-bye.